Hello and welcome. In tonight's show, Liddy does the shopping, Ethan runs in wellies, and I drive a lawnmower. Mowing the lawn is one of those things, like going to IKEA, or doing your duvet colour. It sounds simple, but, in fact, it's a bloody nightmare. This is the traditional solution. A push mower. Slow, sweaty, and powered entirely by digestive biscuits and shame. But this is what happens when you take a lawnmower and give it ideas above its station. Meet the Texas TTC102H, a 452cc petrol-chugging, grass-munching turbo slicer of suburban dreams. It's got a turning circle tighter than a Yorkshireman's wallet and more torque than a tractor on steroids. So first off, you have to adjust the seat backwards to make room for ample girth. Put it to the rabbit to put the choke on. Foot on the brake, safety. Turn the key. Lopsy start. Now drive it like you stole it. Right, so now that you've figured out how to start the mower, now we need to figure out how to do the cutting. Now to do the cutting deck, you have to be moving. So we'll start it up and we'll get moving. You need to pull that switch! Of course, it's not all good news. Emptying the clippings can be like trying to wrestle a bin bag full of angry squirrels. Something to watch out for though is that this piece of thing, of metal here, that cut, this safety cut out here, and if this moves out the way like that and doesn't engage the switch, it won't engage your mower deck. So, bad point for Texas there. So, would I recommend it? Well, if you've got a big lawn and a thirst for petrol and an overwhelming desire to feel like Lewis Hamilton in a garden centre, then yes, I would. If you don't, well, then you're probably dead inside. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Good night.
Whenever you're ready. My TV's tripping over. Whee!
So, would I recommend it? Well, if you've got a big lawn, take 2. Okay, so as long as I don't move, have you pressed record?
Yeah.
Oh, we're already going. Oh, here's this bit then. Honestly, I'm not using a script.
Go backwards.